Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create table on Microsoft Word. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Creating tables in Microsoft Word used to be so annoying that most people just did it in Excel, then imported it to Word. It's worth giving Word table tool a try. And how if you want to create table on your Word document, it's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Word. As you can see, here's the blank document. You can just tap on the insert on the toolbar on here. There is an option table, you can just tap on that. And you'll see there's so much like row that you can choose. You can choose the table for the column and the row, how much. Or maybe you can just choose on the draw table. You can also insert table from here. You can number the columns and the row and also the size, or you can choose on the quick tables or give you quick tables like template table that you can use without you need to manually create it. Or you can also add the Excel spreadsheet table. For example, we choose like this, we'll create by manual like this. Here you can manage the table like the size, the column. You can also add text to your table on here. You can add your data on here. Maybe like this. Maybe you want to make data for birthday. Here you can edit your table on the table design or on the table layout. There is an option on your toolbar for the table design. Here's where you can edit your table, like you can merge a cell or you can edit the other for the table. It's so simple, right? So that is how to create tables on Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.
This is Busy Creator channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add